Hey, what's up guys? Will's Garage here. Today I'm going to be installing new door cards on the M3. As you can see, the doors aren't really aesthetically pleasing ever since I removed the stock door cards, and I need to get the wiring cleaned up and out of the way. So I decided to pick up a pair of thin, lightweight door cards. These are made out of thin, lightweight ABS plastic, and I picked them up from Track Car Door Cards. I went with the carbon effect, which I personally think looks awesome. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in checking it out. One of the reasons I went with these door cards over the others is because it utilizes a pull strap in place of a traditional latch handle for opening the door, which I think is really unique. The panels also come with pre-drilled holes, and honestly, before purchasing these, I thought about making my own door cards, which is totally doable, but I doubt I would have been able to make them look as clean as these. It also comes with these really neat rubber riv nuts, and how they work is the rubber expands against the panel as you tighten the screw, which makes installation a breeze. There are a few existing holes at the bottom of the door which can be used, but they're not big enough to fit the riv nuts, so you'll have to expand them a bit. The riv nuts are 10mm, so I use a 3/8 drill bit to drill it out. And since I probably won't ever drive this car in the rain again, I decided to remove the vapor barrier. In order to drill the remaining holes on the top, I decided to pre-mount the door card using the existing holes on the bottom. Line up the holes on the top and use the center punch to indicate where to drill the holes. And now it's time to attach the pull strap mechanism and attach it to the door. A little trick that's mentioned in the instructions is to pre-attach the rib nuts to the door card with the screws partially screwed in, so that you can just mount it directly onto the door, and that really made the overall installation much easier. So I went ahead and tightened everything, but I realized that the door pull retracted, so I'm gonna have to loosen up everything again and pull the strap through and re-tighten it. Alright, now let's do the passenger side. So as you can see here, I totally forgot to feed the pull strap through the door again, so don't do what I did, and the camera just happened to run out of batteries here. But anyways, here is the final result. I'm really happy with it. You guys tell me what you think in the comment section below. Also, if you liked this video, you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.